Hello, welcome to everyone and good morning to all dear students. So today we start our new topic in chapter 7 fractions, which is conversion of mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay. So before we start our new topic, let's discuss quickly what we have learned in previous class. So in previous class we all learned about the types of fraction, expressing the fractions into simple form, and mixed fractions. Okay. So now today we start our new topic, which is conversion of mixed fraction into improper fraction. That you all know that how we can write the mixed fraction. Okay, like we take an example, 2 is to 1 upon 5. It is a mixed fraction. Then अगर हमें इस mixed fraction को improper fraction में convert करना होगा तो हम कैसे करेंगे? How we can convert it into improper fraction? So there it is some terms related. So here you can see that conversion of a mixed fraction into improper fractions. When a mixed fraction is converted into an improper fraction, denominator remains the same as that of the fractional part. जो भी आपका फ्रैक्शन होगा मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन, उस मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन को हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे एक इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में, तो आपका जो डिनोमिनेटर होगा वो हमेशा सेम रहेगा। आप इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में होता क्या है, न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर। ओके, यही तो है फ्रैक्शन में। इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में न्यूमरेटर होता है और डिनोमिनेटर। ओके, बट यहाँ पे आपको 3 टर्म्स है। क्लियर? So according to this statement कि denominator remains the same, denominator remains the same. आप जब भी whenever mixed fraction convert into improper fraction, then the denominator is always same. Clear? So this can be solved like another way, like easy way. Okay, पहला तो राशि ये है कि हम इसे इससे मल्टीप्लाई करें। क्लियर? 5 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करें, देन जो हमें मल्टी प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा उसे हम इस नंबर से ऐड करें न्यूमरेटर से। क्लियर? बट जो हमारा डिनोमिनेटर होगा वो ऑलवेज सेम होगा। क्लियर? सो इसे हमने किया 5 टू ज़ा 10 and 10 plus 1 is 11. So it answer come 11 upon 5। अगर आपको ऐसे नहीं समझ में आया तो लाइक मैं एक थिंग बता दूं, लाइक ये जो आपका नीचे वाला है, इस पोर्शन को हम क्या कह सकते हैं, इस डिनोमिनेटर को डिवाइजर। ओके, डिवाइजर। एंड इस पार्ट को हम क्या कहेंगे, 2 को क्वोशिएंट। फिर अपर है, इसे हम न्यूमरेटर, इसे हम रिमाइंडर कहेंगे। तो यह आपका क्या बन जाएगा, न्यूमरेटर। ओके, सो हमें सिर्फ न्यूमरेटर ही फाइंड करना है। न्यूमरेटर आपका क्या हो जाएगा, डिवाइजर इनटू क्वोशिएंट प्लस रिमाइंडर। क्लियर? एंड डिनोमिनेटर आपको पता ही है, डिनोमिनेटर आपका किसी भी मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में वही आएगा। सो डिवाइजर हमारा क्या है यहाँ पे, 5 is the divisor, quotient 2 है। Clear? Then remainder is 1। Clear? So हमारा न्यूमरेटर क्या आ जाएगा, 5 to the 10 plus 1 11। Okay, and denominator सेम रहेगा तो 5 ही होगा। Clear? So it is the easy way that you can find the both numerator and denominator in mixed fractions. Clear? So by this you all can solve the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, so now we take another example. Okay, So now we take another example. In this example, you all can see that it is a mixed fraction. So here you can see that how we can convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay. So you all know that in last example that what we have to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What we get? Numerator. Okay. And you all know that denominator always same in mixed fractions. Okay. So in this you can see that divisor आपका 30, then quotient 3, then remainder is 5. Clear? So 13 3s are 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So 39 plus 5, what we get? 44. Clear? So 44 is the numerator. That denominator is 13. Okay. So your answer is 44 upon 30. It is clear, all of you? You can do it directly or by this. Clear? It is the way that you can understand how you can convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Clear, everyone? And in this, these all are the questions of exercise 7.5, and you all can do this exercise 7.5 in your fair notebook according to these examples. Okay. So let's come to our next topic of exercise 7.6, that is conversion of improper fraction into mixed fraction. Okay. So in this we all learned that how we can convert improper fraction into mixed fractions. Clear? So here is the statement: to convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction, divide its numerator by the denominator and express the result as quotient is to remainder upon divisor. Clear? So जब भी हम किसी भी improper fraction को mixed fraction में convert करेंगे तो उसके लिए क्या करना होगा हमें? To convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction, divide its numerator. जो उसका numerator होता है उसे हमें divide करना है किससे? Denominator से. Clear? And express the result as quotient remainder upon divisor. Okay? So like इससे पहले हमने क्या किया था? जो मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन थे उन्हें हमने इम्प्रॉपर में कन्वर्ट किया था. अब इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन को हमें मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना है, यानी पहले वाले की तरह ठीक अपोजिट करना है. क्लियर? सो लेट्स वी टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ योर एक्सरसाइज 7.6, 12 upon 7. Clear? So according to this statement, numerator divide its numerator by the denominator. Clear? So numerator is 12 and denominator is 7. So 7 ones are 7. So 12 minus 7, what we get? 5. So it is our remainder, and it is quotient, and it is divisor. So in this you all clear that what are the divisor, quotient and remainder. Okay, so when we divide any number by any given number, then the remaining part of this division we call remainder. Okay, and the answer what we get after dividing it is quotient. Clear? And the divisor by we divide. So in mixed fraction what we write here? Divisor. So divisor is डिवाइजर इज 7. देन क्वोशिएंट आपका क्या है 1. then remainder is 5. Clear everyone? So here you all can see that how we can convert a improper fraction into mixed fraction. Clear everyone? You all understand? Okay, so now we take another example of your exercise 7.6. Like 87 upon 10, we have to convert this into mixed fraction. Okay, so first we divide 87 by 10. Clear? So 10 87 को हम 10 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 10 8s are 80. Then what we get remaining 7. Clear? So it is a remainder, quotient, and it is divisor. You all know that in previous question. Okay, so then we have to write in mixed fraction. So first we have write the divisor, then remainder, and last is quotient. Clear? So if we have to convert this mixed fraction into proper fraction, then 10 8 is 80 and 8 plus 7 87. Then 87 upon 10 is a improper fraction and it is a mixed fraction. Clear? So it is your improper fraction and it is called mixed fraction. And I think that you all understand that how we can convert improper fraction into mixed fraction, and you all understand that how you can do. Clear? So these are the some questions of your exercise 7.6. Then after this you all can do exercise 7.6 in your fair notebook. Okay, so if any children or student find any problem, then you can ask by me. Okay, and you all can do also exercise 7.5 and 7.6. Clear? Okay, so thank you everyone and have a great day.